Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MX472 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX472 support, and go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MX472. Go ahead and open that up. It should have a little picture of your printer over here on the side. We just want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and drivers section. So if you go down to the third section here, you want to go down to the item that says My Printer. Go ahead and select download for that. And then once it's downloaded to our download folder, open it up. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser, and then you want to proceed with the setup utility, selecting your region, country, as well as agreeing to the license terms, as well as the destination path you want this to be installed to. And then once that's done, you can create a shortcut on your desktop, and you should be good to go. So any further issues, you can open up the utility and diagnose and repair your printer from here, and that should be able to walk through an automated process of getting that configured appropriately. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.